Well, today it's Theme Thursday again, and my nursery is doing birds. We haven't got anything musical. Christopher Robin, what are you doing with that bag? Don't put it on your head, silly boy. No, it's no good you laughing at him, encouraging him. Honestly, that boy. It's very dangerous having things on your head. What are we going to do with him, ladies? He's such a cheeky boy, isn't he? And that Dougie just thinks it's funny. And I think Helena is thinking to herself, what are those boys like? I don't know. And Ginny wanted to wear her lovely flamingo sunglasses, which it's not really sunglass weather today. Sunglass? That sounds funny. Sunglasses weather today. Do you know, we have been 26 and really oppressively hot, muggy for the last 4 days, and today it's 14 degrees and freezing. It feels like it's freezing. I just don't understand the weather at all. But anyway, I'm going to change Jessica, so I'll just get her out of the cot. Come on, sweetie. Come on, baby. Go. Where's my baby? Oh, she's all chilly, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, bless her. She's a bit chilly, aren't you? She is. So here's my Jessica, and she is the Saskia Sculpt by Bonnie Brown. There she is. Let's just put you on her. She's a beautiful girl. And I'm going to pop this dress on her, which I also sent to Sue Drinkwater. So it's a lovely green and white striped dress. And it's got a mummy duck in white on the bottom in broderie anglaise with little yellow feet. And she's got 2 little yellow ducklings shouting at her. And there's a blue butterfly and a pink butterfly, a blue bow and some tulips. Red tulips on the bottom of it. It's a very pretty dress, and it's got the angel wing sleeves in 2 layers, or butterfly wing sleeves, and it's also got a pair of knickers with a frill at the bottom. And I'm going to put this lovely lace bonnet on her that was sent to me. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. A lace bonnet in cream, and because it's so chilly, I'm going to put this little lacy cream cardigan on her because it really is quite chilly here today. So I'm going to do that and have a chat to you. Let me just undo the button of the dress. There we go. And we have got one of these nappies with birds on, and it's got all different colour birds. Isn't that lovely? I was going to put that on one of the other babies, but it's so cold today, I thought, oh no, I'm not going to just put them in a onesie and that. I mean, at least the boys' onesies are long sleeved. So come on, Jessica, let's take your hairband off, darling. We're going to leave her socks on because she needs a pair of socks, so we'll just take them on. We'll use the ones we've got, and I'll just take her little dungarees off. There you go, sweetie. Up you come, darling. Oh, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Do you know, I think Saskia is such a wonderful sculpt. And in fact, I voted it myself the best sculpt of 2017 because I just think it's the most amazing sculpt. And the funny thing is, the first time I saw it, I actually didn't like it. You know, the sculpt itself. I thought, oh, that, you know, I don't like the look of that with the tongue in that position at all. So it's really funny that I've now got 2 of them and really love the sculpt, you know. Up you come, darling. Have you got a little button on there? Have you got a little button, or is it pull over the head? Oh, it's there. Say it's on the side, mummy. Yeah, so I think it's the most amazing sculpt. And Little Lake Babies that I watch has just bought the most beautiful little boy. He's called Louis. and she bought her from Suzanne'sBabies in England, in the UK. And her babies always go for a lot of money. I've always wanted one, but they go too high for me, so I've never bought one. But they are beautiful, and I absolutely love Louis. He's gorgeous, isn't he? And it's just lovely to see how different people do the sculpts. I mean, Suzanne from Baby Bunting Nursery did my Jessica, and she's done her to look very young, like a very young baby. And yet Joseph looks totally different. He was done by Alexandra Taylor Hughes, and he looks a lot older, baby. But I like both looks equally well. I think it's lovely. And Jessica will be getting some hair at some point, because she's got painted hair at the moment, but she will be getting some hair. Because I must have had her for nearly a year now, have I, Jessica? I have to look at your... I'll have to look at your details, darling, yeah. Right, there's your little pants. This dress is 0 to 3 months. And I think it's really pretty. It's got a lovely little white underskirt. There you go, sweet girl. Let's get your hands through. And I wanted to bring you up to date on a couple of things, because I suddenly realised I hadn't kind of said anything to you about my sunglasses that were stolen. I actually rang, because I got them from Boots Opticians. Up you come, sweetie. Let's just pull your dress down. There you go. There she is. I got them from Boots Opticians, and when they were stolen, I rang them straight away, and they said they'd get me another pair. Well, I went in, they rang me and said they were ready, and I went in a couple of weeks ago to pick them up, and they're lovely sunglasses. I really like them. Anyway, you know, the girl Emily was talking to me. Over you come, darling. There you go, sweetie. Oh, she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful in that dress. Yes, you are. You're beautiful, darling. Yes, you are. Oh, she's a gorgeous girl. You look lovely in that, don't you? And what was I saying? Yeah, I went to pick them up, and Emily said, you know, do they fit okay and everything? And I said, yeah, let's try them. Let's try your hat, darling. Oh, you're gorgeous in that. I do love bonnets. And I said, and she said, oh, well, there you go then. Here's your sunglasses. And I said, oh, just a painful bit of paying for them again. And she just shook her head. And I said, what do you mean? And she said, no, you haven't got to pay for them. I said, of course I've got to pay for them. Oh, that looks beautiful, darling. And she said, no. She said, no, you haven't got to pay for them. She said, they were stolen. It wasn't your fault. She said, so we're going to cover the cost of them. And what did I do? Burst into tears. What am I like, ladies? I'm just not used to people, you know, being so kind. And that was the kindest gesture, I thought. Really kind. And yeah, so I got my second pair for free. Wasn't that amazing? And I've been using them a lot the last week. Up you come, sweetie. There you go. You know, with the bright sunlight. So, you know, they're really good. But fancy not charging me. I did feel an idiot, though, bursting into tears in a shop, honestly. What am I like? So there you go, Jessica. There's a little cardigan just to keep your arms warm. I've had a cardigan on all morning as well. But I took it off for now because I get a bit warmer upstairs. It's warmer upstairs in the house than it is downstairs. There you go, sweetie. Let's just do one button up. So there she is, my gorgeous girl in her outfit for Theme Thursday. I think she looks gorgeous. Let me bring you around so you can see her. Look at this girl. Is that too bright? Let me darken you up a little bit. There you go. There's her dress for Theme Thursday and her beautiful bonnet. I absolutely love that bonnet. She looks gorgeous, doesn't she? Absolutely gorgeous. She's such a sweetie. Love this girl. Love this girl and love this sculpt. And I wanted to say to you, if you could pick your favourite sculpt of 2017, what would it be? I'd love to know, because Saskia was definitely mine. Above all others, Saskia. I think it is the most amazing sculpt ever. I really love it. Love, love, love it. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And that's my babies. All ready for Theme Thursday. And how lovely was it to see Yvonne put a video up today. Mwah! Big kiss to you, Yvonne, and thank you so much. I know what it must have been, hard it must have been. But, you know, keep going, darling. So there's my babies, my gorgeous Jessica, those cheeky boys, beautiful Helena, and there's my gorgeous Ginny in her glasses. But we'll leave you on Jessica in her little dress with ducks on. Mwah. Love you, ladies and gentlemen.